Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. Guys, probably about 5 or 6 years ago, my wife and I just stopped eating granulated sugar and decided to make the switch over to a sugar substitute. This is called stevia. Now, I don't know what this means because I don't speak Spanish, but it is I've tried some other sugar substitutes also, but this is the best. It doesn't leave an aftertaste in your mouth. As a matter of fact, this is my little container here. I'm just going to let you see how it looks here. If I can get a scoop here without spilling it there. Okay. Can you see that? Hopefully it's like little granulated, let's see, not granulated, but sparkly sugar pieces, I guess you can say. But guys, this is all you need to sweeten whatever you need to sweeten in a glass or a cup of coffee or anything like that. That's all you need. Okay. Versus 2 or 3 teaspoons or what have you of the regular sugar. But guys, this here is the best, in my opinion, sugar substitute. Stevia. You guys make it a great day.